Maybe you have an amazing idea for a course, but you can't figure out how to get the ball rolling. Or maybe you started creating your course, but you stalled out because it felt overwhelming and you just weren't getting anywhere. Or maybe you've already launched your course. It was a shit show and you'd like your next launch to go a little bit more smoothly. You're in the right place. Launch with Asana is not just another course about creating courses. It's an entire productivity system for creating courses. Inside, I'll show you how to use Asana as the backbone of your course creation plan, including a set of my done-for-you project templates. So first, let me tell you a little bit about me. So my name's Erin Gibson, and I'm an online course and business strategist. And I help my clients to create and launch online courses. I've worked with coaches, consultants, designers, bloggers, authors, academics, finance to real estate, music, cooking, fitness, technology, self-improvement. I've been behind the scenes of a lot of different courses and a lot of different launches. My solopreneur journey has looked a little bit different than most people's because I also have ADHD. But here's why this is relevant, so stay with me. There are 3 different categories of ADHD: hyperactive, impulsive, and inattentive. Like most women with ADHD, I fall into the 3rd category. And people with inattentive ADHD often struggle with focusing on tasks, paying attention, absorbing verbal information, staying organized, and poor memory. All of those things are kind of important when you work for yourself. And they're extra difficult for me because I struggle with ADHD. So you can imagine that it's crucial for me to have some serious systems in place to help me stay focused and organized. Asana is my weapon of choice for that. I'm constantly using Asana to help me hone and refine those systems to make them work better for me. And if these systems work for me, there's a good chance that they'll work for you too. So here's what you'll find inside the course. In Module 1, I'll introduce you to the course, help you find your way around, and give you my cheat sheet of tools and resources. Now, these are platforms and systems outside of Asana that I recommend for building your online course. And I recommend them because I've used them myself, I've used them with my clients, and I know that they work really well. Then in Module 2, we'll dive into Asana, and I'll show you how to organize your Asana account and be really efficient in the way that you use Asana. The lessons in this section will help you as you build your course, but they're also going to be useful to you long after you launch as you continue to use Asana in your business. Okay, so this isn't just about launching online courses. This is stuff that is going to be useful in just your everyday, day-to-day, staying productive and staying organized in your business. Then in Module 3, we get to the templates. Okay, so this is everyone's favorite part. Each project comes with a video that gives you a tour of the entire Asana project, as well as my tips and tricks for building that section of your course. Project 1 is your course dashboard. So this project will be your home base for managing your launch, as well as running and maintaining your course for as long as you continue to sell it. Project 2 is your lead magnet project, creating your lead magnet, building a landing page, and also promoting it. Project 3 is your webinar project. This project covers planning your webinar content, creating the webinar itself, whether it's live or evergreen, building your landing page, and also promoting your webinar. Project number 4 is the big one. This is your course content project. You will plan your content, create your content, and that'll all be managed from inside this project. In Project 5, you'll build your sales page. This project has a checklist of steps for creating your sales page, but it also contains a full template of what actually needs to go on your sales page, with writing prompts for each section. So you're not starting from scratch here. I actually give you my entire sales page formula. And then finally, in Project 6, you'll write your sales emails. Now, this is the most requested thing, is email scripts that you can use in your sales funnel, and I'm giving them to you. Select the scripts you want to use, personalize them, make them your own, and then copy them from Asana into your email marketing platform. Lastly, we'll wrap up launch with Asana with some steps you should take after you've created your course to make running your course a breeze. These are some super simple things that you can do to make sure that you have everything you need at your fingertips to maintain your evergreen course or to relaunch your live course. All of the project templates and guidance that you'll get in this course have been road tested both by me and by my clients. Okay, so these have been used in the wild by many, many people. If you're a geek for a well-organized launch like I am, this is for you. Enroll now and you can start building your course today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My email address is courses@eringibson.co, or you can send me a DM on Instagram @ErinGibsonCo. Can't wait to see you inside.